The future is almost here, and the automobile industry are always ready by preparing for it through supercool innovations. This is why in today's video, I will be showing you the top 10 futuristic truck that should be in production in the nearest future. If you don't want to miss out on any of the truck, stay with me till the end of the video. 10. ArtStation Atlantis Autonomous Highway Truck. Russian designers Roman Doltsenko and Dmitry Voronezhtsev put their creative innovation to the test in the future when semi-trucks are autonomous in addition to being electric. All eyes are now focused on how the larger haul vehicles will make their shift, since the future of automobile transportation is predicted to be electric. The range of these vehicles remains the major challenge, but as automation advances, the designs of these trucks are also about to alter. In their Atlantis, designers Doltsenko and Voronezhtsev envision a day where Level 5 automation, where vehicles are fully autonomous and do not need any human involvement at all. When automation reaches the pinnacle of Level 5, the cabin with a plethora of safety elements to safeguard the human driver inside will no longer be required and may be reduced in size to merely carry the electric motors, batteries, and components of the autonomous driving system. What you end up with is a little tractor that is capable of pulling a container that is normal size. The designers gave the container a sizable set of wheels that move independently of the tractor and can negotiate tight turns to ensure that the load-bearing role does not rely solely on the tractor. In a future where we have attained Level 5 automation, we can be certain that we will have airless tires and systems that can forecast the risks of component failures before a trip even begins. 9. Walmart Advanced Truck. Walmart displayed its cutting-edge hybrid electric tractor-trailer at the Mid-America Trucking Show, MATS, in Louisville, Kentucky, in March 2014. This demonstration truck was created by Walmart in partnership with Peterbilt Motors, Roush Engineering, Great Dane Trailers, Capstone Turbine Corporation, and other businesses. The vehicle's building was done by Roush Engineering. The range extender C65 microturbine generator from Capstone Turbine is part of the hybrid electric powertrain for the Wave tractor. The microspinning turbine's parts are supported by air bearings and run at a steady, ideal 96,000 revolutions per minute, RPM. The microturbine powers a generator that feeds the energy storage system batteries, which provide the electric motor-driven powertrain with on-demand power. The vehicle will operate only on electricity for use in cities until the battery level reaches 50%. The microturbine will then automatically start charging the batteries at that point. The microturbine will run continually to achieve the longest range possible. The air-cooled Capstone microturbine may run on a variety of fuels. Wave was never developed past the prototype, road-ready level. 8. Mercedes-Benz Future Truck. As the first autonomously driven truck in history, this concept vehicle has ushered in a new era for the transportation sector. But its future idea is more grounded in reality than you would realize. An incomplete stretch of highway close to Magdeburg was sealed off from the outside world for weeks at a time. Local rumor had it that there was more going on behind the site protection screens than just road work. Daimler was allegedly involved as well, but not precisely what was happening. The Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025, announced by Daimler Trucks on July 3, 2014, revealed the transportation system of the future. The truck of the future will be self-driving. Assistance and telematics technologies that are now in use are paving the way there. Highway Pilot, a very sophisticated system, brings all of these elements together. The result was better working conditions for professional truck drivers, as well as higher safety and decreased fuel usage. Additionally, fleet operators will be able to save money thanks to enhanced vehicle transport management and app-based solutions. However, the first vehicle to drive itself is not simply clever. Daimler Trucks engineers have given it a fresh interior in addition to a futuristic design. Less is more is the motto. More movement freedom with fewer constraints. 7. Freightliner Supertruck. The U.S. Department of Energy first announced its Supertruck Challenge in 2009 to develop and construct a prototype truck that was at least 50% more freight efficient than a baseline 2009 truck. Truck manufacturers were given financing under the initiative. The Freightliner Supertruck, which Daimler Trucks North America just debuted, is its reaction. With a reported 115% gain in efficiency, it exceeds the 50% mark. For Daimler-owned companies, Freightliner Detroit Engines, Mercedes-Benz, and Fuso worked together to develop the vehicle. Better aerodynamics are largely responsible for its enhanced efficiency. This was made possible in part by a tractor that is extremely streamlined and has features like an adjustable ride height, rear-wheel fairings, articulated side extenders that bridge the gap between the tractor and trailer, and grille ventilation slats that close when the tractor is moving at highway speeds. Additionally, adopting lightweight materials and decreasing friction received a lot of attention. This comprises a tractor frame design with fewer cross members needed, a lighter rear suspension, and specially designed Michelin tires with reduced rolling resistance. The truck was reduced in weight by a total of 700 pounds, 318 kilograms, using these methods and others. The gross vehicle weight rating calculation used a 5-day, 312-mile, 502 kilometers, round journey on Texas Interstate 35 between San Antonio and Dallas, with a speed of 65 miles per hour, 104 kilometers per hour, and a weight of 65,000 pounds, 29,484 kilograms. Its actual fuel economy on the journey was 12.2 miles per gallon, 19.3 L, 100 kilometer, which is allegedly roughly twice as much as the fuel economy of most trucks in comparable circumstances. 6. Hyundai HDC 6 Neptune. At the H2 Mobility Plus Energy Show 2020 in South Korea, Hyundai Motor Company demonstrated its hydrogen fuel cell technology and mobility solutions. One of them is the Hyundai HDC 6 Neptune, a heavy-duty truck that runs on hydrogen and was initially presented at the North American Commercial Vehicle Show in October of 2019. The vehicle is a component of the manufacturer's 2030 hydrogen-powered fuel cell technology utilization plan. The renowned New York Streamliner railway trains of the 1930s, which were one of the greatest technological achievements of the early 20th century, served as a major source of design inspiration for the Hyundai HDC 6 Neptune concept. Within the next 3 to 4 years, Hyundai intends to introduce the HDC 6 Neptune with an upgraded fuel cell technology that has great power and longevity. In addition to the truck, Hyundai is displaying a transportable fuel cell generator with a maximum output of 160 kilowatts that uses 2 fuel cell stacks, also found in the Hyundai Nexo, the world's first FCEV. The generator may be utilized for a variety of tasks, including charging 2 EVs at once, as well as electric vehicles and buses. The Hyundai Nexo FCEV, also on show at the event, has a stated range of 609 kilometers on a single charge. The Nexo was introduced in 2018 and led the world in FCEV sales in 2019, with sales of close to 5,000 units. 5. Scania Axle Truck. A group of Scania professionals from several sectors has collaborated to design a concept truck, marking another significant step in the realm of large autonomous vehicles. The modular system is at the core of the AXL's design even without the cab. The Scania Axle design's strong components are compatible with the harsher conditions seen in mines and sizable building sites. The conventional cab is replaced with a new intelligent front module, yet even without a cab, the design is a Scania. As Henriksen put it, for instance, in mines, the logistics system enables autonomous operations that instruct the truck on how to operate. The truck's combustion engine runs on renewable biofuel. It is an illustration of how new and ancient technologies may coexist. The Stockholm-based Scania pushed the mining industry on a new path in 2012 with Scania Mining. The corporation wants to combine all of its other divisions' goods and solutions and tailor them exclusively for the mining industry. 4. Tesla Semi-Truck. Elon Musk's company is now taking orders from the general public for the heavy-duty electric truck, 5 years after revealing a prototype of the Tesla Semi. A few of the truck specifications have since been altered, but starting in 2022, there will be 2 types of the Tesla Semi: a $150,000 model with a 300-mile range, and a $180,000 model with a 500-mile range. With 36 tons of freight on board, each Tesla Semi model will be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 20 seconds. The truck will have an enhanced autopilot and a distinctive cockpit, with the driver's seat in the middle and 2 displays on either side. Tesla is constructing solar-powered megacharger stations that, according to reports, will be able to provide a Tesla Semi 400 miles of additional range in just 30 minutes. The Tesla Semi's production was initially scheduled to start in 2019, however, delays have occurred. The most current assertion was given by Elon Musk in April 2022, according to which it will begin in 2023. Tesla claims that its Semi will save drivers 50% on fuel expenses. Other heavy-duty EVs can achieve the same savings. The cars may eventually replace their fossil fuel-powered counterparts, eliminating around 6% of US greenhouse gas emissions in the process. 3. Volvo VNL Truck. The working and living areas of the VNL are designed to put the driver in complete control while optimizing efficiency. The dashboard and steering wheel effectively, and with little distraction, convey controls and information to the driver, while the seating has been ergonomically tuned. The drivers will feel at ease on the road thanks to their newly redesigned VNL sleepers. In the VNL 760, a built-in telescopic ladder is available. It is simpler to enter and exit the upper bunk thanks to the large stairs. When not in use, the ladder swiftly locks into place beneath the cabinet. Since no two drivers are precisely same, they set out to create an optional steering system that would always be at the ideal height and angle. Drivers have an almost limitless variety of options for placing the wheel just where they desire it with a three-way neck tilt. In addition to raising the bar for aerodynamic performance and utilizing the next generation Volvo D13 TC engine, the Volvo VNL is made to assist drivers in reducing their fuel consumption for highway applications on practically every load and route. 2. Iveco Z Truck. The Z vehicle, a long-haul concept truck from Iveco, was unveiled and investigates how autonomous driving, new technology, and alternative energies may affect the trucking industry in the future. The Z stands for zero, as in no carbon dioxide emissions, no accidents, no stress, and no driver time loss. All of those things would actually be better described as being near zero, but it does not sound as good. Even still, Iveco claims to New Atlas that the truck, created by the CNH Industrial Design Center, outperforms the Volvo concept truck in terms of fuel efficiency by up to 37%. Iveco anticipates that while it is mostly a blue sky concept, some aspects may serve as inspiration for future vehicles. The 6th generation robo-taxi from Baidu has a removable steering wheel. The Z Truck's 460 horsepower, 343 kilowatts, 2,000 newton meters, 1,475 pounds-feet, and 2,000 newton meters, 1,475 pounds feet engines are driven by more traditional liquefied natural gas, LNG, in the form of biomethane, as opposed to vehicles like the electric Mercedes Urban e-Truck and the hydrogen-fueled Nikola Semi. It is the best technological choice and the easiest to adopt in the near future to address the issue of pollution and reduce CO2 emissions, according to Iveco. 1. Nikola One Truck. The Nikola One, a Class 8 hydrogen-powered electric semi-truck, was unveiled by Nikola Motor Company in May 2016. It can go up to 1,200 miles on a full charge and can tow a gross weight of 80,000 pounds. The firm is actively building a hydrogen network in the United States and Canada that will include 16 refueling stations. Nikola One is all-electric with a 335 horsepower electric motor and a twin-gear reduction at each of its 6 wheels. Before gear reduction, Nikola One produces over 2,000 horsepower and over 3,700 feet-pounds of torque, and after gear reduction, produces about 86,000 feet-pounds of immediate torque. 6 electric motors on the truck enable it to outperform other Class 8 trucks on the road in terms of horsepower, torque, acceleration, pulling, and stopping ability. It can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 30 seconds from a standstill, and can go 65 miles per hour while carrying its maximum load and climbing a 6% incline. The removal of the diesel engine will result in much lower greenhouse gas emissions, a wider, more aerodynamic cab, and a ride that is both quieter and more pleasant. A completely autonomous vehicle, the Semi has a roughly 30% larger cabin for maximum comfort. Every truck has a comprehensive smart computer that provides the driver with complete real-time data, a 21-inch monitor, Wi-Fi 4G connectivity, and other features. Which of the super trucks is your favorite? Please let us know in the comment section below, and if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of our incredible videos. Thank you for watching.